Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Many of you are open this video because of thumbnail. So definitely, I don't want to disappoint all of you. So I will give you the complete details about CMA Inter exam-oriented batch for June as well as December 2026 examination. Again, I am repeating, this is a detailed announcement regarding CMA Inter exam-oriented batch for June as well as December 2026. So you can attend for this batch in two ways. One is face to face, another one live as well as recorded. So, sir, where you are going to conduct the face to face batch, sir? At Hyderabad, our campus in SR Nagar. So, what is the surprising thing? Sir, what is the fees for the face to face batch? Yes, the fees for face to face batch is free. But if you want to take our color materials, yes, you have to pay for them. Sir, no, sir, I have already books. Yes, you can attend with that books, no problem for us. If you want to take our books, yes. So now I will show you some books, whatever now we have in our stock, and whatever that 8 subjects we have in our CMA Inter, for all these 8 subjects we are going to provide the color material. So now I will show you some materials. This is an financial management as well as BDA, paper number 11. This is an workbook. So this is a completely color material. It is framed by our faculties and it is a perfect material for CMA Inter examination. It is your concept book. FMBDA concept book. You can check it out. Yes, every concept is clearly given in a color format for CMA examinations exclusively. So next coming to corporate accounting and audit, that is paper number 10. This is a corporate accounting concept book. It is also color one. Next, it is a corporate accounting, yes, workbook. Workbook also colored books only. Yes. Next, I will show you audit book. Only one book for audit. Yes, it includes concepts as well as the question format. Yes, including MCQs also. The totally paper 10 be nothing but the after corporate accounting we have an audit for 50 marks. Yes, it is nothing but color format. So next OM and SM, complete one book only for OM SM, including concept and questions also, and SM also. These are all the things are covered in an our material. Yes, few other materials also we ordered within 4 to 5 days we can dispatch to that every student. Now, so sir, I don't want to take your book, sir. I have my own resources. I want to prepare from that. No problem. You can attend for the classes free of cost. If you want to take the books, yes, you have to pay only for books, that to cost only. Whatever the cost that our staff is saying, the please pay for that and collect your books and start your preparation along with our exam oriented batch classes. Now, sir, live or recorded classes? Sir, if you are purchasing the classes, the first you can watch live. Yeah, unfortunately, if you missed any live session, then you can watch recorded classes also. Sir, how to purchase this? Visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in. Subject wise, including these books, yes, 2000. Including these color coded books, 2000. Sir, group wise, I want to purchase either group 1 and group 2. Yes, 6000 per group, including books. And both groups, if you want to take, yes, including books, 10,000. Sir, you can watch live. If any sessions are missed, yes, you can watch. Recorded classes also 1.5 views. The validity of course from the date of registration, not from the date of purchase. I will tell you this point again in this session. Yes, what is the validity? 4 months. Sir, what is the schedule, sir? How the classes will be conducted? Yes. So schedule I will tell you. The first, we are going to start with the paper number 6 by the CMA Bonu sir. Yes, from March 2nd to March 8. Every day, 8 hours class we are going to take in face to face. That same classes will be live telecasted through our website. Yes, approximate duration we are going to deliver that entire subject in 40 hours. Remember? So approximately in some cases that may be less than 40 hours, that is 2 to 3 hours shortage, or some cases we can deliver more than 40 hours also. Average I am going to take 40 hours. Now listen carefully. So now today if you purchase the course from our website, But where we have to start the classes? So when we have to start classes? March 2nd. So you can register that course in our website. You can purchase now also, but you can register from this date. Now the validity will count from the date of registration, not from the date of purchase. Next, we are starting with the FA. Next, group 2 subject FMBDA, 9th March to 15th March. Yes, FM part will be taken by DQ Naveen sir, and BDA part will be taken by Maninder Singh sir. Yes, both the subjects, that means FM, BDA, these two all together, we are going to deliver entire subject in 40 hours. So remember, this exam oriented batch not for first timers, only for repeaters. Next. So again we are back with the law group 1. So 16th March to 22nd March, that will be taken by our Mithun Reddy sir. Yes, 40 hours of duration. So every subject 1 week. Only 7 to 8 hours we will take the class. Remaining time you can prepare that subject and you can write the exams also regarding that. Next, group 2 subject, paper number 10, corporate accounting and audit. Yes, 23rd March to 29th March. Yes, audit part will be taken by Grover sir, and corporate accounting part will be taken by our bonus sir. So entire duration altogether 40 hours. Next, DT and IDT, paper number 7, again we back to group 1. March 30th to April 5th, that will be taken by Mithun Reddy sir, around 25 hours duration. 6th April to 12th April, I will be taking direct taxation part for 35 hours. Next, management accounting, that is paper number 12, again we are going to group 2. 13th April to 19th April, CMA DQ Naveen sir, duration 40 hours. OM and SM, yes, group 2, yes, 20th April to 26th April, that will be taken by our Maninder Singh sir, and duration 40 hours. And paper number 8, cost accounting, 27th April to 3rd May, taken by the DQ Naveen sir. Maybe you haven't doubt, sir, these subjects are studying in late manner. No problem. So first you can watch this and you can perfect about this subject. Then you can start these subjects also, whatever the subjects we are going to deliver in a late manner. Because these are the face-to-face classes. Whatever the classes are done in face-to-face, that only we are uploaded it as an recordings. Again I am saying, sir, now February 20th, sir, if I am purchasing now, so 4 months validity will be exhausted now. No problem. From the date of registration, suppose if you purchase the cost accounting classes, you can register on this date. From this date, yes, you will get the 4 months validity. So again, I am repeating this announcement. Yes, definitely. Yes, you can come to face, no fees for you. Yes, just if you want to take books from us, I will charge for, I will charge only for the books cost. If you want for the live as well as the recorded classes, yes, you can visit our website directly. You can place your order and you can watch classes from March 2nd. Every week, one subject, you will get conceptual clarity along with the practice also. Are you understood? I hope all the details are given to you. Yes. If you have any doubts about this cmainter exam oriented batch for June as well as December 26, please make a comment below this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.